Customization at Eagle is something that's really important to us. We understand you have a lot on your plate, and drawer customization is the last thing you want to focus your time on. Getting it right every time requires incredible attention to detail. So we pore over your drawings. And when we have questions, we give you a call. We make sure what we think you want is exactly what you want before we send it to the shop. That type of attention to detail is the only way to do customization right. And you're not going to get that from a big firm. You're going to need a small business that actually cares about your drawers. Making sure we're manufacturing the right drawer at the highest quality is something we pride ourselves on. We have a mantra inside our facility, which is don't make bad parts, don't accept bad parts. That means at every single stop along the way, we're checking and rechecking quality and making sure we're making the right drawer exactly as it's designed. We understand that we're partners and that our product goes into your product. So for you to be successful, we need to be successful. When we say we're going to deliver on a timeline, we'll deliver on it. Our current process allows us to produce drawers the same day that they're cut. So it's never too late to order a drawer. As it stands today, if you need it done quickly, we'll get it done for you. Consistency is what we deliver. That's our promise to you, is that we're going to deliver a consistent product day in, day out. We do that by having highly trained staff. We have a rigorous set of criteria that we check at every single station. What that means to you is that if you order a drawer today or you order a drawer in the future, you're going to get a very consistent product that matches your specification and our quality standards.